Hello friends, today is the fourth chapter of the geography of India. So this is the very important segment of the geography of India. So this is the very frequently where the question put up on the UPSC examination to the every year. So this is the relevant for that is the chapter 4 the climate. Climate is the very important part and the paper first this is the optional subject of geography and the paper first, second and the third. So this is a very important secret because the geographical level and the spatial part of this is the you can be describes of the analysis the this is psychology behavior on this is the how to how to emerge on this is the within of one culture to other culture to convert, which is the possibility like the Hinduism how to the original and the Muslimism the how to original or that this is the thing. So this is the geography of India to start. Now this is the chapter 4th. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the you see this is the chapter 4. This is the we call the chapter 3rd the other last videos. Okay, you can see, and this is the only one the overview the all chapters. So okay, this is the climate. What is the meaning of climate? So climate is the 31 year directly to be the study on the totally the temperature high and low temperature which is related to the 1 year to other year to totally the 31 year to the climatology on the defined on that is the particle thing, because the weather only one day like the highest temperature and lowest temperature. This is the weather your weather registry to be the dependent on that the world meteorological department. Okay, this is the climatology. And this is the climatology of what the climate. Okay, climate start so climate is the so this is the very analysis the point. Okay, and the climate of the Indian essentially the subtropical monsoonic and the monsoon has the drive from the Arabic in the word the Mosim, because this is the climate in the word. This is the very the relevant point. This is relevant the monsoon. The monsoon is directly to be the use of the Arabic the Mosim. Okay, with the mission this is the means of the season. This is the original name of the season. Okay, and the word monsoon was the use out of the navigator several continue ago and discuss the system of the seasonal rivers and the winds along the shores of the Indian Ocean. Okay, Indian Ocean directly to be the merge on the Arabian Sea, because the Arabian Sea like the Somalia and the Yemen, Oman and the UAE to directly to be the touch. This is the boundary and the water level. Okay, the water sea the other directly to merge. Okay, to Indian Ocean southwest during the winter season. Okay, during the winter season, in other words, monsoon and the periodic season wind which is there is the complete reversible wind direction after the every 6 months. Every 6 months the revisable completed. This is the down to the monsoon. Okay, because sorry. In the opinion Changji Jiang, this is a monsoon flow pattern of the general the atmospheric circulation and the geographical area, because this is a relevant theory of that is the definition. Because what is the meaning of the climate and the monsoon? This is the almost the lots of the definition for in the book. So directly to start now. Okay, sorry. Indian monsoon very important event. Okay, monsoon are the complex meteorological phenomena. Expert of the meteorological have the developed number of the origin monsoon. Okay, some of the important concept about of the origin of the monsoon have the give and as the under because this is the original of the concept important, because the monsoon is the directly to be the under to be the interrupt on this is the south this is south and southwest monsoon directly to be involved, because sorry, so let me explain. This is the monsoon to start. This is the Arabian Sea, this is the Indian Ocean. this is the Arabian. So directly to be the south, because the south and west. So southwest, southwest directly to be the under. This is the Kerala, and this is Kerala and Karnataka to directly touch. Okay, and this is the lots of the heavy rain. But after that the settle zone. This is not to be the river. This is the Pondicherry. This is the Pondicherry is not to be the covered to totally. This is rain settle, and directly to be this is the autogenerate the Indian Ocean directly be, and the consume the water, and directly to Centennial Belt. Centennial Belt is through about the Delhi and others, so and the entire area to directly to be used only on the June and so on the month. Okay, so this is the point. Okay, so Indian monsoon is directly involved. Okay, sorry, then directly to book. Thermal, the concept of the heli. So this is not a sorry, this is not to be the uses of the uses of the concept of the heli, but this is the ITCZ is the very important. This is the ITCZ, intertropical convergence zones directly to be. So let me explain. Now the this is the equator, and this is the equator, and this is the 24 and 24. This is the right line to the torrid zone, and which is the nearest nearest the line of the earth, the latitude. This is called the latitude, and the ITCZ, intertropical convergence zones, directly the tropical is area, and this is the high temperature and the low humidity. Okay, and this is the very other important segment for that you can see, and this is the very usable word of the ITCZ. This is the ITCZ. Okay, intertropical convergence zone. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this is the all the definition for this is the very the analysis way, so you can see on the further. This is the initial value, because this is the yeah, sorry, yeah, this is the consumer of the 990.0.102 110.110.100.8. This is the what is the mean, because this is the summer monsoon, the winter monsoon, that will be winter, because this is the isobar. Isobar, that means the isobar, that means the isobar. ISO, that means the balance approach, and the var, this is the dawab होता है ना, एक दबाव टाइप में प्रेशराइज. So the ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arabian Ocean, तो हस्बैंड दबाव the 992.102. This is the Indian Ocean. Okay, yeah, this is the 102, 101. This is the high pressure, the low pressure, and the Anson area. We call the dynamic concept. This is the dynamic concept of the fluon. So you can on cell, because this is not a relevant. Okay, but this is the relevant. We call intertropical zone. Intertropical zone, the in a year the twice are twice time. Twice time because the summer season, like summer season, this is the equator, the northern two parts separate the equator above, but the winter season, this is the intertropical convergence zone, it directly to be either south and automatically shifted, because this is the rosy wave to, and this is the rosy wave directly to be this is the winter season to again and the northern area, because this after that the intertropical zones, after that 6 months. So this is the upper part of the southern zone. Okay, southwest monsoon and the southwest monsoon. This is the this is the main point of the Indian monsoon, the Tibet plateau. This is the Indian monsoon and the Tibet plateau, or this is the this is the geographical the geographical boundaries touch, because the with the Pamir Pathan and low Tibet Himalaya, with Tibet Pathan, the who's the very biggest and the very biggest, because this is the rosy wave. This is the rosy wave, the tropospheric depression cyclone. Okay, this is the high pressure, and this is the low pressure, and the low pressure, because this is the convergence zone, the convergence, because 6.4 degree. 6.4 degree, this is the convergence zone. This is the southwestern mountain. Okay, this is the microbiome. This is the winter westerly jet stream. That's very important part. Okay, so this is the this is the same. The tropopause. What is the meaning of tropopause? So I think sorry, I think because this is the Himalayas, because the Indian Ocean, Peninsular Indian Sea, Lesser Himalaya, Greater Himalaya, directly to be increased on your the behavior, yeah, on your the altitude to be, and this is the troposphere. The troposphere, that means like sorry. So let me explain now troposphere. This is the line, and this is the 15 Celsius temperature, and this is the troposphere. Okay, this is the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, exosphere, and okay, mesosphere, exosphere. This is the troposphere. This is the minus the like. This is the point. This is the tropopause. Okay, tropopause. This is the, and this is the make the temperature. This is the increase the temperature, stratosphere, and this is the tropopause, and this is the this is the decrease temperature, and this exosphere is the increased temperature. This is the increase, okay, and this is the decrease way, okay, and this is the decrease way, this is the decrease way, and this is the increase way, okay, this is the increase, sorry, this is the increase way. This is the time of the total tropopause. This is the stratosphere and troposphere. So directly to be the between the line and the gap, this is the tropopause. This is not this is a wind phenomena, not this is the geographical phenomena, is not. This is the only on the straight balance, sorry, straight balance the wind to the okay, this is straight wind to be the flow. Thank you. And the tropopause and the jet stream and the Indian monsoon. Okay, so Pacific Ocean and the strong the El Nino effect, southern oscillation, burst of the monsoon, and the onset of the monsoon, progress of the monsoon. Okay, season in the Indian, season in the Indian. So Indian is the season, the northeast monsoon, the winter season, and the December to the mid December to mid, and the hot weather at the season, March May, and the seasonal southwest monsoon, the rainy season June September, and the seasons retaining the monsoon October and mid December, and the cold weather season. Cold weather season, you know what? This is the northern Israel. This is the colder weather season. Okay, and this is the where yeah, this is the Mediterranean Sea, the season. On this the part of it is the Mediterranean Sea, the June and the January, and directly to be involved. This is the hot. Yeah, this is the part the hot weather season. So hot weather season is the universe. This is the directly to be the June month. Okay, and the Indian climate. This is the other map, and you can be the analysis, and the temperature is the 54 Celsius. Because the lots of things. Because this you know what how to deal with that the syllabus. Because syllabus there are lots of things. What the main thing is the what should be read and what should be left. So what should we read? So only on the overview and which is part to relevant and the frequently way to UPSC examination. So so I will try to the fulfill to the your requirement for that the answerable. Okay, and the season of the general rains. So this is the season of the general rains. Yeah, this is the map and the rain of the overview. And this is the yeah, this is the Bay of Bengal, directly to be the southwest the Arabian Sea, and this is the wind direction, and Indian Ocean directly to the 26 Celsius, 27 Celsius. Because this is the equator line. They have here the Celsius 26 Celsius, and this is the original the tropical cyclone. Okay, tropical cyclone and tornado, rainfall distribution. So man think. It's like thunderstorm. Okay, thunderstorm, and it's the lightning thunder hell. So after that because the lots of videos in the YouTube available, so you can be the analysis and point because the one point each and every because this is the my important aim to be directly to be the one and the one part to be one part to be the overview to the all subject, because this is the yeah, this is the geography of India, because the who's the book because after that the Lakshmikant because the only the generally point of focus. Okay, climate region of India and the tropical as most climates, Köppen climates, Right, this is a very important theory, the Köppen classification of the Indian climate. Because the again, this is my again to yeah, this is my again video. So I will try to the all of the completed the Köppen classification of Indian climate. Okay, thank you. And the homemade arid and semi. Okay, thank you. So I will make the second video after the third video for that. This is the geography. Thank you. And if you if you are the this is the important or not, so can you suggest on the on this is the comment section. Okay, thank you.